See, there are, of course, subject matter expertise, right? That comes into play, right? I mean, you should know your content well. Whatever you're writing on your resume, you should be able to explain and talk about those things confidently, right? So, but apart from that, I mean, if I look at from the skill set perspective, right, I would say the first and foremost that I look at is, I mean, continuous learning or ability and the interest to do continuous learning. This is a space where technology is continuously evolving, and each and every one of us have to be learning on a daily basis, and that is the way. Otherwise, you will be obsolete very, very soon, very, very fast. And that is why things like tenacity, perseverance comes a lot into play on these. On these. Secondly, I mean, or the other big thing that I look into um, is is an individual does an individual has the ability to formulate a business problem into the in the form of a data science problem, right? This is a real skill in data science, right? And why do I say so? So a lot of techniques, platforms, building blocks of building data science solutions have been commoditized. I mean, they are available in plenty in a way. And you should not be requiring to write another implementation of a popular algorithm. A lot of them are available today. What is needed is when someone asks you to solve a business problem, like, for example, how do I grow a particular line of business? How to acquire new customers? How to reduce operational expense, right? And so on, right? These are the practical problems where we want data science to solve, right? How do you actually map them into a data science or a technical formulation? Is this a classification problem, clustering, recommendation, reinforcement learning, outlier detection, information retrieval, information? I mean, all the whole gamut of things, right? How do you do that mapping? Is the probably the most practical and important skill set in the industry today, and incidentally, I would say that that is where most of the gap is also there today. It's not that I mean, most of the young people who come for interview, I find that they are quite smart and quite knowledgeable in data science. But it appears to be they have been very narrowly looking into these in terms of learning some subject matter and doing operating within that zone itself, right? When I take that from that zone and put in a different context, how do you apply what you have learned is the most important skill set.